Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix buffer on Windows in 2026. If buffer isn't loading, keeps freezing, won't let you log in, or isn't working properly on your Windows PC, follow these simple steps to solve the problem. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Buffer is a cloud-based platform, so a slow or unstable connection can prevent pages from loading or syncing correctly. Refresh the page after confirming your connection is working. Next, update your web browser to the latest version. Buffer works best with modern browsers like Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, and Mozilla Firefox. If you're using an outdated browser, you may experience loading or performance issues. If buffer still isn't working, clear your browser's cache and cookies. Corrupted browsing data can cause login problems, loading errors, or pages that don't display correctly. After clearing the cache, restart your browser and sign in again. You should also disable browser extensions temporarily, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, or script blockers, as they can sometimes interfere with buffer's features. If buffer works after disabling an extension, enable them one by one to identify the cause. If you're unable to access your social media accounts, reconnect them from the buffer dashboard. Expired permissions or disconnected accounts can stop publishing, analytics, and other features from working properly. Finally, if the issue continues, try using buffer in a different browser or an incognito window. You should also check whether buffer is experiencing a temporary server outage. If none of these solutions work, contact buffer support with details about your Windows version, browser version, and any error messages you receive. That's how you can fix buffer on Windows in 2026.